Crystals are gifts from the earth. They are beautiful and calming. Each crystal holds energy. This energy can help us heal. It can bring us peace. Crystals come in many colors. They have different shapes and sizes. Each crystal has a unique energy. This energy can help with different things. Some crystals bring peace. Others help us focus. Some crystals protect us. All crystals offer gentle healing. For centuries, people have used crystals. Ancient cultures believed in their power. They used crystals for healing and protection. Crystals were used in rituals. They adorned sacred spaces. People wore crystals as amulets. They believed in the crystal's energy. Today we rediscover crystals. Their beauty and energy call to us. We learn from ancient wisdom. We find new ways to use crystals. We are all energy. Everything around us is energy. Crystals have a stable energy. This energy can interact with our own. Crystals can help balance our energy. They can remove negative energy. They can promote positive energy flow. This can improve our well-being. When our energy is balanced, we feel better. We are calmer and more focused. Crystals can help us achieve this balance. Each crystal has a unique vibration. This vibration resonates with different parts of us. Some crystals are calming, others are energizing. Amethyst is a peaceful crystal. It helps with sleep and intuition. Rose quartz is the crystal of love. It promotes compassion and forgiveness. Clear quartz is a powerful healer. It amplifies energy and clears the mind. Citrine brings joy and abundance. It attracts success and prosperity. Choosing a crystal is a deeply personal journey. It's not just about picking a pretty stone. It's about finding a companion that resonates with your inner self. Trust your intuition. What crystal are you naturally drawn to? Let your heart guide you in this process. When you hold a crystal in your hand, close your eyes and take a moment to connect with it. How does it make you feel? Does it feel warm or cool to the touch? Does it bring a sense of peace or perhaps a surge of energy? Crystals come in a myriad of colors, each with its own unique energy and properties. For instance, amethyst, with its soothing purple hue, is often associated with calm and clarity. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink color, is known for promoting love and compassion. You can choose crystals by their color, allowing the visual appeal to guide you to the energy you need. Another way to select a crystal is by considering its intended use. What do you want the crystal to help you with? Are you seeking protection, healing, or perhaps a boost in creativity? Each crystal has specific properties that can aid in different aspects of your life. For example, black tourmaline is known for its protective qualities, while citrine is often used to attract abundance and success. Take your time to explore and connect with different crystals. Visit a crystal shop if possible, and allow yourself to be drawn to the stones that catch your eye. Don't rush the process. Finding the right crystal companion is a journey that requires patience and openness. Remember, the right crystal will resonate with you on a deeper level, providing the support and energy you need in your life's journey. So, whether you're new to the world of crystals or a seasoned collector, always trust your intuition and let your heart guide you to your perfect crystal companion. Section 6. Welcoming crystals into your life. Crystals have been cherished for centuries, not just for their beauty, but for their unique energies and healing properties. There are many ways to use crystals in your daily life. One simple method is to carry them with you. You can keep a small crystal in your pocket or purse, allowing its energy to be with you throughout the day. This can be particularly helpful if you need a boost of confidence or calmness. Another way to incorporate crystals is by holding them during meditation. This practice can deepen your meditation experience, helping you to focus and connect with your inner self. Choose a crystal that resonates with your intention, whether it's for clarity, love, or protection. Placing crystals in your home is another wonderful way to benefit from their energy. You can create a peaceful atmosphere by placing crystals in different rooms. For example, amethyst in the bedroom can promote restful sleep, while citrine in the living room can invite abundance and joy. Use them in your work or creative space to let their energy inspire you and enhance your productivity. Wearing crystals as jewelry is a beautiful and practical way to keep their energy close to you. Whether it's a necklace, bracelet, or ring, choose pieces that resonate with you and your intentions. Not only will you enjoy their beauty, but you'll also benefit from their healing properties throughout the day. Crystals can also be used in rituals and ceremonies. They can be placed on altars, used in grids, or incorporated into spells and affirmations. Their energy can amplify your intentions and help manifest your desires. Remember, the key to working with crystals is to trust your intuition. Choose the ones that you feel drawn to and explore different ways to incorporate them into your life. Enjoy the journey of discovering the beauty and benefits of crystals. Section 7. Cleansing and caring for your crystals. Crystals are known to absorb and store energy from their surroundings. This is why it's crucial to cleanse them regularly to maintain their effectiveness. Cleansing removes any accumulated negative energy, allowing the crystal to function at its highest potential. One of the simplest methods to cleanse your crystals is by using water. Hold your crystal under running water, and as you do so, visualize the water washing away all the negativity and impurities. Imagine the crystal becoming brighter and more vibrant with each passing second. Another effective method is using sunlight. Place your crystals in a sunny spot, preferably where they can soak up the sun's rays for a few hours. The sunlight will not only cleanse but also recharge the crystals, filling them with positive energy. However, be cautious with certain crystals like amethyst or rose quartz, as prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause their colors to fade. Alternatively, moonlight is a gentle yet powerful way to cleanse and recharge your crystals. Place them outside or on a windowsill during a full moon night. The moon's energy is believed to be especially potent during this time, making it an ideal opportunity to cleanse and rejuvenate your crystals. Leave them out overnight to absorb the moon's soothing energy. It's also important to handle your crystals with care. Treat them with respect and intention, as they are delicate and can be easily damaged. When not in use, store them in a safe place, preferably wrapped in a soft cloth or placed in a padded box. This will protect them from physical damage and help maintain their energetic properties. Another method to cleanse your crystals is by using salt. Place your crystals in a bowl of sea salt or Himalayan salt and leave them for a few hours. The salt will draw out any negative energy and impurities. Afterward, rinse the crystals with water to remove any salt residue. You can also cleanse your crystals through meditation. Hold the crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Visualize a bright light surrounding the crystal, purifying it and filling it with positive energy. This method not only cleanses the crystal, but also strengthens your connection with it. Selenite slabs are another excellent option for cleansing. Place your crystals on a selenite slab or in a selenite bowl. Selenite has natural cleansing properties and can purify other crystals without needing to be cleansed itself. Keeping a journal about your crystal care routine can be beneficial. Note down the methods you use, the dates you cleanse your crystals, and any changes you observe in their energy. This practice will help you stay organized and ensure your crystals are always in their best condition. Remember, the key to maintaining the effectiveness of your crystals is regular cleansing and mindful handling. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can ensure that your crystals remain powerful tools for healing, meditation, and energy work. Handle them with love and respect, and they will continue to support you on your journey. Section 8. Trust your intuition. As you work with crystals, trust your intuition. You will develop a connection with them. You will learn to sense their energy. Pay attention to your dreams. Crystals can enhance dream recall. Keep a journal to record your experiences. Notice any shifts or changes. Crystals are tools for growth. They can support you on your journey. Be open to their guidance. Allow them to enhance your well-being. Section 9. A journey of discovery. The world of crystals is vast and fascinating. There is always something new to learn. Explore different crystals and their properties. Read books, attend workshops, or connect with other crystal enthusiasts. Share your experiences and learn from others. Enjoy the journey. Crystals offer a path to healing, peace, and self-discovery. Embrace their gentle power. Allow them to guide you on your unique journey.